Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of chlorophyll and how it can boost your health. You've definitely seen that intense green color in plants, right? Well, that pigment is called chlorophyll, and it's what allows them to perform photosynthesis, which means they feed off sunlight. But chlorophyll isn't just good for plants, it also has a ton of benefits for us. It's said that chlorophyll helps fight bad breath, heal wounds and sores, and even improve our digestive issue. Many people use it to detoxify the body and have a healthier gut. Plus, it can even reduce body odor. And how does it do all this? Well, chlorophyll is like an oxygen boost for our blood, helping it eliminate toxins. It's also a powerful antioxidant, meaning it fights those free radicals that damage our cells. And if that weren't enough, it improves the production of red blood cells and takes care of our liver. Of course, you have to be careful with the dosage. It's best to start small, about 100 milligrams per day, and gradually increase it as needed. A normal maintenance dose is between 100 and 300 milligrams daily. Now let's talk about side effects and precaution. Although chlorophyll is generally safe, it can sometimes cause diarrhea, upset stomach, or change the color of your tongue or urine. It's important not to overdo it with the dosage, and if you have any doubts, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. In short, chlorophyll can be a great ally to improve your health. Just remember to follow the instructions for use and be aware of anything that makes you feel unwell. I hope this information has been useful. See you in the next video. See you soon.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.